Kayla. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for joining me. If you're new here, welcome. Make sure you subscribe. And if you're not new here, then you already know the deal. I do clothing hauls pretty frequently, and today I'm super excited to be sharing some summer picks from Dia & Co. So before I dive in, just want to let you guys know I'm a new Dia & Co brand ambassador, which is so exciting, and I truly love this brand. I think they have tons of cool stuff for plus size ladies, and I'm really excited to be working with them. But with that said, this video is not sponsored. I'm not paid to, make this video, and I definitely wouldn't talk about products that I don't 100% like. Let's dive in so you guys can get an idea of what cute things Dia & Co has right now. Okay, so I have the first items on, and the first thing is this t-shirt. It's white and it has a zebra on it, and it's beaded and it's kind of goldish, and I love it. It's so comfy, and it's just like a simple white tee that's cute. It still has a really bold detail, but it's simple enough to wear with literally almost any bottoms. So I paired it with jean shorts that I'll give you guys a better look at. So the next item is these denim shorts. They're super simple. They have that above the knee length, but they still come down pretty far, and this is my preferred length because it stops the chub rub from in between your thighs. I love that because no one wants to be uncomfortable in this heat. So they're very simple. They have a frayed detail at the bottom and a little baby slit right here, but other than that, they're a really good medium wash, so they're super versatile, and yeah, just really easy to throw on with a t-shirt on just any regular day. They're also high-waisted, pockets are good, just super comfy everyday shorts. Next, I have another pair of shorts. I feel like I just didn't have that many shorts that were comfortable, so I'm really stoked about these. I love the stripes detail. Again, they're not super short, but these ones are a little bit shorter than the other ones. And the pockets are good. They're stretchy. They're pretty high-waisted. And they're just so comfortable. They have this cute cuff at the bottom, but they're not squeezing my leg at all. They're really, really comfortable and so cute. And then the shirt I have on with them is just an oversized t-shirt. It's really, really loose and very lightweight. I feel like this is, I think it's meant to be a workout top, and it definitely would be so comfortable for that. I knotted it in the front because it's really long, but I'll show you guys. Yeah, so it's definitely an oversized tee, but also great for leggings. It's almost a tunic, so great for leggings, working out, and just super, super comfortable. It's kind of hard to see the details, but it is, so it's yellow and white, and it has a zigzag line print. I don't know, it's kind of hard to see. Next, I have a pair of jeans. So let me just say, I'm so picky about jeans. I seriously would rather just never wear them, but I found some with some stretch in them because that's super important to me, and these are so comfy. They're very simple, dark wash, and they have, a few little distressed rips in them, but they're pretty plain, which is great because they'll go with so much, and they're high-waisted. Like I said, they're very stretchy, so comfy. And I will honestly wear these. I have so many jeans that I just never wear because I don't feel great in them. They're so restricting. And these, I feel like I can totally move around in. They're super versatile. And yeah, I am a fan. I will say the pockets aren't real, but I don't even care. As long as they're comfortable, I don't care if the front pockets are real. And then you do also have the back pocket. So yes, here for it. And then as you can see, I'm wearing this front zip sports bra. So it has a gold foil design on it, which I love. It's really sassy. I love a front zip because it's so hard to like pull a sports bra on over your head. And it's a racer back style. It's like a low impact sports bra, but it feels really supportive, I must say. Yeah, this is so cute. Like, honestly, I would wear this as a top. Next up, we have a gray and white striped dress. It's about knee length, and it's just like a straight A-line dress. It's cotton. It's so comfortable, and it has hidden pockets. We love a dress with hidden pockets. And honestly, when I picked this out, I thought it might be a little stiff, but it's so movable and comfortable. I do not feel restricted at all. I feel like this could be very professional or very chill. You pair it with some sneaks, and yeah, I love it. And the last item is this white denim jacket. And I love a layering piece. I love jackets and blazers. I feel like they just really elevate any look. So this just thrown on over a t-shirt or a dress like this is just so cute and casual. And it has really great detail. So it has this little rip up here, and it has these flap pockets which do unbutton, and it has you know, some silver button details, and it's just a really great jacket. It is not tight at all, and it does have a little bit of stretch to it, but it's still, you know, still a denim jacket. And I did cuff the sleeves a little, so I love when you can cuff the sleeves, because I love wearing a jacket and when it's still warm outside, just because, like I said, I think they look so cute with outfits. So I love that the sleeves are easy to cuff, and then when it's a little cooler, easily uncuffed and still cute. Alright guys, and that's everything. So overall thoughts and reviews is that everything is so comfortable, like way more comfy than I was expecting. It's all super trendy and cute, and also still like pretty versatile. Like the white jacket, this dress, the denim shorts, those are never gonna go out of style. So it's really nice to, you know, have some of those basic pieces that you just really feel good in, and also some trendy pieces like the zebra shirt. So yeah, I think this mixture of stuff is just super perfect for summer. It will definitely be reworn, and everything except for the shorts can be worn literally all year long. So I'm definitely excited about all these pieces. So comfy. And if you want to shop D&Co and check out what else they have, make sure you click my links below. Thanks guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for my next video, and like, comment, and subscribe, of course. Peace out, homies.